In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable customer accounts on GoDaddy Store. If you're running an online shop, giving shoppers the option to create an account can make checkout faster, help them track orders, and encourage repeat purchases. The best part is that turning this on takes just a minute inside your GoDaddy dashboard. Start by signing in to your GoDaddy account and opening the dashboard for the site that powers your store. You'll be working in the Websites plus Marketing dashboard. So make sure you've selected the correct website if you manage more than one. If you need a quick way to get there, I've put a link to the GoDaddy website right at the top of the description so you can jump to the sign-in page without searching around. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu for the Customers section. Click to expand it, then choose Settings. This is where GoDaddy groups all the options related to your shoppers. You don't need to change anything else here. Just head straight to the area labeled Member Accounts. Inside Member Accounts, you'll see a simple toggle. Turn it on, and when the switch turns blue, customer accounts are enabled. From now on, your storefront will display options like Sign In or Create Account, and returning customers can reuse their saved details at checkout. Enabling this doesn't give anyone access to your admin area. It only creates secure customer profiles for shopping activity. With the toggle on, GoDaddy will prompt you to publish the change so it goes live. Select Accept to republish your website with the new customer account feature enabled. Republishing updates your live site with this setting. It won't alter your design, products, or existing content. It usually completes in just a few moments. And that's it. You've turned on customer accounts and your store is now set up to provide a smoother experience for your shoppers. If you're curious what's changed, you'll notice new sign-in options on your storefront and during checkout, which can help increase conversions and reduce cart abandonment. It's a small switch that can make a big difference for both you and your customers. Quick recap: log into your GoDaddy dashboard, open Customers and then Settings, turn on Member Accounts so the toggle is blue, and accept the prompt to republish. You're done. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to check the link at the top of the description to go straight to the GoDaddy site. Thanks for watching.